Assalamu alaikum. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, today I'll be sharing the benefits that SSLC students who enroll in our crash course enjoy. So, first and foremost benefit for them is the passing package, which we'll be sharing across with all the students who have enrolled in our crash course. That passing package will have the most probable questions that have been asked from the past few years. So the next benefit is the mock test we'll be giving to all our students to give them that confidence to approach for their exams. And the third benefit is the short revisions we'll be carrying out. That short revisions in the sense that we'll be giving them the periodic revisions of each chapter so that they get a clarity of each chapter. And the final one is the one-on-one attention through Zoom. We'll be giving the one-on-one attention to each student whoever enrolls in our crash course. So enroll now to enjoy this brilliant benefits of our crash course. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.